guys. This is my first YouTube video, so don't judge me. All right, so this is not a tutorial because one, my cap is already glued on. Two, wig is already made, but I did not realize I wanted to record until I was pretty much halfway through everything, and I didn't want to record me doing the wig because these are old tracks from my client sewing that I put together because I was just feeling cheap that day. I didn't want to buy hair, so I just put some tracks together. So basically it will be more of a get ready with me type of thing, you know, not a full tutorial, but I will post a couple later on, but it's not a full tutorial. Okay, so when I cut the lace off my wigs, I don't like cutting straight across, if you get what I mean. It gives it more of a realistic look, so I never cut my lace straight. Okay, so now I'm just trying on the wig and see how it fits, because remember, this is kind of like a low hairline. I wanted, because my hairline's not low, but I wanted to see how it would look in a low hairline. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm kind of checking out how it look, because I added more makeup to it because it still looked a bit light. But I don't even know why I'm checking it on my arm, because my arm's lighter than my forehead, but we'll see. Okay, so let me tell you something. I never, okay, I'm not gonna say never. The way I glue down my clients' laces is like way different from the way I do mine. It's like, it's more systematic when I do it on them than on me. For me, it's just whatever looks good, you know, like I just need my hair done. But for my clients, it's more so they paying for a service, so I gotta make sure I deliver, you know. Okay, so I was kind of like getting mad gluing it down. I don't know why, so I went ahead and did it off camera. By that, I mean I went in my bathroom, stayed in front of the mirror to glue down my little wig. Alright, so I'm back. I got it down. I glued it down. So all I'm doing is I'm just checking out how, see how it look, because I kind of don't want to do baby hairs. I want it just nice and smooth. No baby hairs, nothing really extra, just plain natural. But I realized that my lace was a bit still too light, so I decided to add just a tad bit more makeup. Alright, so I was a bit more satisfied. It wasn't too light, but it was still just a tad bit light, but it's better now. than it was before, to me anyway. Okay, so now I took my little beat up hot comb. I've had it for years. It works perfectly fine. Don't judge me. All I'm doing is getting the flyaways and cleaning up the front, just for like a neat look, technically, if you get what I mean.